Hello everyone, Elise here. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can update your applications without Apple ID password in 2024. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what I want you to do is open up your applications app store and make sure that you have logged in into the correct Apple App Store account. So I want to update some account, but I don't update some applications, but I don't have the Apple ID password to do so. I just want to click on the profile on the top right, and once you scroll down, you can see how many updates are there that needs to be updated in my phone. If you just click on update, then it'll start updating on its own. It will not ask for any passwords or any passcodes or locks. So this is the quick and easy method on how you can download applications without your or upload applications without your Apple ID password. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any more questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below. It's me, Elise, signing off. Thank you for watching, guys, and please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.